In today's video, I'll be giving you a tour of a luxurious real estate development tucked away in the peaceful hills of Chawang Noi called Vova Village here in Koh Samui. These exclusive 3-bedroom private pool villas are perfect for anyone looking for a dream vacation home, a peaceful retirement haven, or a smart investment. With spacious living areas, elegant decor, and a private pool, these villas offer the ideal blend of modern comfort and tropical serenity. Plus, you enjoy seamless access to the breathtaking blue waters of Chawang Beach, Samui International Airport, Central Samui Shopping Mall, top-tier schools, and a diverse selection of restaurants and cafes, all just minutes from your doorstep. Right now we're at the back of this pool villa, and I just want to spend a couple minutes just showing you around this private outdoor space. It's so beautiful. We've got what looks like a 15-meter length pool that stretches from one side of the house to the other. It's around about 1.4, 1.5 meters deep. We've got beautiful outdoor furniture positioned here and on the other side of the house. We also have a grill over there, as well as a kitchen area to prepare some food or have a barbecue out here. Additionally, we have this pathway that goes right around the house where you've got your compressor from Carrier tucked outside here. All the air conditioning units in this house, as you'll see, are docked and they're very quiet. So there's a lot of space out here to bring your friends, family, and enjoy the beautiful weather of Koh Samui. But before I show you the spacious living space, let's show you the front of the house and what it looks like. So this is the front of the house. You have your drive here that fits up to 2 vehicles. This house is actually situated in a gated community, and there's a total of 15 houses in this complex. So it's a private community, so it benefits from 24-hour security. Only residents are allowed inside. Now let's step inside. Welcome to the first floor of the 3-bedroom pool villa here in Vova Village. It is incredibly spacious. You've got the living space over to your right here, the dining table on the left, as well as the open style kitchen area here to entertain your guests. The Bali style furniture, as you see, adds a unique charm to the space, while the modern kitchen of the first floor is a culinary enthusiast's dream. Equipped with high quality appliances and fittings, it offers a seamless cooking experience. And as you can see, there's ample storage space to really prepare quite a feast for your guests and entertain them while they're lounging around in the living space and in the dining area. You have the fridge tucked in these cabinets, as well as a freezer for both under there. The sink is larger than usual, so there's plenty of space to clean the dishes or to tell your maid to do it. And you've got LED lighting underneath here, brightening up the kitchen. And then we've got this extractor above the burner, which is actually quite high up. I'm almost 2 meters, but it's positioned really high such that I don't interfere with it. A nice little touch to the kitchen as well is this bar here with 4 seats, so you can have friends actually facing onto you while you whip up some food. And actually just through here is the entrance to the house from the garage. So you have the main entrance on the right there and on the left here too. Adjacent to the kitchen, we have this circular dining table that sits 6 people, positioned right by the floor-to-ceiling glass windows that just flood the first floor and the rest of the villa with natural light. So if you were going to have a lot of friends or family over, this pool villa is perfect for being able to accommodate a large number of people. You can have 6 people here, another 4 here, some more over there sitting on the sofa watching the TV, as well as more people out here right by the pool that you can connect with by sliding this door open as such. So another 6 people out there, as well as another 6 people over here too. It's incredible. You could have 20 people round and this place wouldn't feel too crowded. The living space features this very large L sofa, and I'm quite a tall fella, but look at how little room I can actually occupy on this giant sofa. So the space is really designed to foster togetherness. It creates a warm and inviting atmosphere to share your meals, whether you're enjoying a casual breakfast or hosting a formal dinner. This space provides the ideal setting to savor up good food and great company. For investors watching at home, you'll probably want to know what the ROI for a villa like this is in Koh Samui, and it's actually pretty shockingly high. The average ROI for a modern pool villa on the island of Koh Samui is anywhere between 13 to 17%. So a villa like this that's brand new on the market with this sort of furnishing space and a private pool located in the heart of Koh Samui in the Chaweng Hills can easily achieve those figures. And those type of ROIs that you can generate from short-term rents are some of the highest in the entire country in Thailand and in Asia. And this, along with Koh Samui being one of the most beautiful tropical islands in the world, is the reason why so many people want to get their hands on the villa here. Now, before I take you onto the second floor of the villa, if you're interested in purchasing this exact villa, make sure you contact the number and the email in the description, as we've partnered up with the real estate developer. And so once again, viewers are eligible to a very special cash discount price that you won't find anywhere else on the island. Okay, we'll now go up this very large staircase here, but I just want to point out the first bathroom or CR on the first floor, which features a sink and your toilet. While we make our way to the second floor, you'll notice a beautiful Buddha image art piece mounted on the wall there. Two beautiful pendant lights that have been hand woven, and a lot of the furniture which you'll see throughout the villa has actually been imported from Bali. This is the landing area on the second floor. We've got a nice bench there with a few more art pieces hanged on the wall. Now the bedrooms of the pool villa are just behind me, with the master bedroom to my left. In the middle we have the second biggest bedroom, and over to my right we have the smaller bedroom. Welcome to the very spacious master bedroom. We've got a king-size bed in the middle here, a large integrated wardrobe, bedside table and table lamps positioned on either side of the bed. We've got almost floor-to-ceiling windows that actually open up really easily as such if you want to step out onto the terrace here that overlooks the pool and the first floor, as well as the magnificent view of the mountains of Chaweng Noi. We'll now take you onto the bathroom of the master bedroom, and look how spacious this is. When I first saw this, I was gobsmacked by the size of it. Usually bathrooms aren't this big, but we've got two sets of sinks there. We've got this giant mirror that's illuminated. In this corner of the bathroom we have a very large shower as well as your toilet. Welcome to the second bedroom, which is right next door from the first bedroom. It's still of a really good size. The bed is of a queen size with really comfortable mattresses and bedding, as well as two bedside tables on either side with a very neat looking bed frame, as well as an art piece mounted on the wall there. Once again, we have another integrated wardrobe. The second bedroom also benefits from the very large floor to ceiling windows that you can also step out onto the terrace here, just like you could with a master bedroom. It's really large, quite spacious. It's not like you're confined for space on this terrace here. You've got significant room to have outdoor furniture, as you see here. Next to the second bedroom, you have the bathroom through here, which once again features two sinks, an illuminated mirror as you saw earlier, and another shower. Now welcome to the last and final bedroom, which features two single beds in the middle here. The villa has been set up or designed in a way for families. Opposite the beds you have the integrated wardrobe as well as the vanity area with a mirror there too. And now you would think this smaller bedroom doesn't have a balcony, but it does. and it features the same floor to ceiling windows, and you can step out here and have access to your own outdoor furniture as well. So it's perfect for the kids to come out here, and you can walk around on the side and see the back of your villa, as well as put some more outdoor furniture out here too. Well folks, we've reached the end of this villa tour. Now, I'm sure you folks at home are dying to know exactly how much the asking price for this 3-bedroom villa with this private pool and Bali-inspired furniture located in the hills of Chawang Noi is. Well, the asking price is 14 million baht, which is around about 420,000 USD. And so if you want to make this villa your dream home, make sure you contact the number and the email in the description. But as always folks, I'm going to wrap up today's video here. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, and share it with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching guys. Take care and bye for now.